Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel IT Lab Genius. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 5 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, quizzes, exam or complete course. You can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on PC screen. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Sort the data first by categories and then by course, the both in alphabet order. Okay, course the both in alphabet order. Okay, sort the data first. Okay, data sort the data categories in alphabet order. Categories and then course at level, then course. Okay, in alphabet order. Okay, then click OK. Use the subtotal feature to sum the number of total resident sales, total non-resident sales, and total sales by categories. You go to data tab, go to outline, go to yes, total resident sales, then click total non-resident sales, and then total sales by categories. Okay, question number 1 is completed. Now moving on question number 2. Leave the existing subtotal values and add a second level subtotal each change in instructor. Outline, go to subtotal, leaving the existing subtotal value and add second level subtotal each change in instructor. Replaces. Okay, question number 2 is completed. Now moving on question number 3. Collapse the table to show the grand totals only. Collapse the table to show the grand totals only. Expand the table to show the entire table. Okay, that's completed. Now question number 3 is completed. Now you can see I have done 3 questions of this exam. Now moving on question number 4. Use the auto outline feature to group the columns. Use the auto outline feature to group the columns. Outline, group, auto outline. Okay, this question is completed. Now collapse the total sales. Okay, question is completed. Now I have done 4 questions of this assignment, this exam. Now moving on question number 5. Create a pivot table using sum of residents enrolled by categories recommended pivot table. Basically in this question we will have to create a pivot table. Go to insert tab, go to recommended pivot table, sum resident enrolled. Okay, rename the new sheet as a pivot table. Right click on this, rename. A new sheet is pivot table. Okay, assign the name enrollment to the pivot table. Change name of pivot table enrollment. Okay, this question is completed. Now moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that add the instructor field to the columns area. Add the instructor field to the columns area. Okay. Move instructor field to the columns area. Okay. Instructor to the column area. You can see here instructor to the column area. Okay. So instructor to the remove the course title field from the pivot table. Course title field to the pivot table. Course title field to the remove. Okay, it will be removed. Move the structure field to the rows area below the categories. Structure field to the rows area. Structure field rows area below the categories. Structure field to the rows area. Okay, that's done. I have done this question. You can see here. Now moving on question number 7. Use the value field setting dialog box to tab the custom name sales by categories for the values. Apply counting them format with 0 decimal places. Now use the field name sales by categories. Sales by categories. Okay. Apply counting format with 0 decimal places. Okay. Number format. Okay. Counting number format with 0 decimal places. Okay. Okay. Tab categories in cell A3. Click on cell A3 and tab categories. Click in cell A3 and tab categories. Categories. Okay. This question is completed now. Now moving on next question. Next question is that in cell J1 in the seminar cell sheet enter get pivot data function in B14 in pivot table sheet. In cell J1 seminar cell sheet, click on cell J1 and then pivot table. Okay, in cell J2 seminar cell sheet enter get pivot table B11 to pivot table sheet. Okay. Tab 300 cell D26. Tab 300 D26. D26 and tab 300. Remove 251 and tab 300. Okay. Refresh the pivot table. Go to return and refresh all. Okay, this question is completed now. Now question number 9 is a move the instructor field to the filter areas and then filter the pivot table to display the table for instructor Welk and Turner. We will have to move the instructor field to the filter areas. Instructor field move to the filter areas. Instructor field go reduce filter areas, then filter the pivot table to display the total structure banner. Okay, filter this, then banner and total. Okay, this question is completed now. Now moving on question number 11. Question number 11 is that insert a slasher for a structure field. Use the slasher to deselect the structure balka to limit the result to the total for total. Okay. Basically, in this question we have to insert a slasher for structure field. Okay. You can see here. We have to insert a go to insert tab, go to slasher, then instructor field, click on structure field. Okay, slasher will be insert here. Okay. You can see I have 12. I have done 12 questions of this assignment. For remaining question, or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and assess. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment, quizzes, exam, and complete course. I have done this course for my students. They all got 90+ and A+ in their courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.